Squaddies, welcome back to another video, the first of 2020, and Happy New Year. We are recreating this curly blow look, which is cheating the hair salon look, but at home. So this is the style that I do quite a lot, and I get loads of clients that ask me how I get the curl in my hair and how I get it to stay, because I get this for about 3 days now. Unlike me, you haven't got thick hair and you are more on the finer side, or you've got hair that does not like to curl or hold a curl, then make sure you click subscribe and hit the bell to be notified, because next week's video is going to be all about that. If you want to learn how to cheat the curly blow at home that you would normally get in a salon or with a professional hairdresser, then keep watching, because I'm going to show you all the products I'm using. Hairdryer, we're going to do it all with a babless curling iron. But for now, let's get started. I've started first by blast drying my hair and always keeping the nozzle of the dryer pointing down the hair from root to tip. First, applying the Cloud9 Magical Quick Dry Potion, which is for extreme heat protection and it reduces the drying time, and a little bit of Sebastian's Potion 9, which is a leave-in styling conditioner cream, and it helps restore your hair and get it back to a great condition. Okay, so we have blasted dry, and I am now going to curl. I've put a little bit more of the OLAPLEX through the ends, and we're now going to curl with Babyliss iron. So I'm using this iron from Babyliss Pro. It's one of the large dial heat ones, so it gives a nice, really bouncy blow curl. But first of all, we're going to section the hair off. So just above the ears, straight round to the side. And we're going to pin this top section out of the way. A border clip just to hold that out. So then you're left with this bottom section. You'll be able to see how dark I actually am under there. So this back section I'm going to split into 3 pieces. So I'm doing one each side and one in the middle. So you're going to take your section, comb it through, use your irons. So you're either going to curl this towards the face or away from the face. I like to curl away from the face because I always think it gives a nicer swish and a bit more like a bouncy blow feel. So place your hands on top of your hair and make sure the heat is gone straight through. Make sure it drags straight through the ends, the ends disappear under the arm. So an iron with one of these arms will always make it look completely polished, and that's your first curl. So if your hair tends to drop quite quickly, leave the curl and don't touch it. Take another section from the back, so take another section here, and leaving this down the back, and taking this around the front. So you put the iron in again, the arm is going to turn away from you, drag your ends through, let the heat penetrate through your hair. These are only set to 23 as well, so they're not up on the very, very top, so still causing minimal damage. And I'm not rolling the hair right the way up the iron, I'm taking it gently through and leaving the ends out. So then you're left with this section at the back. So now you have to let your hands become your eyes. You're going to take your section on the back, pull, wrap, and then you should be able to see around the front if your hair's long enough. You're going to hold these ends so you can kind of guide where you're up to with your hair. So your fingers are nowhere near the iron to burn, but you know how much, and your ends are being left till the very, very end, so you're not causing any more damage to your hair. That is your first section. So if you bring these and keep these all the way around the front, and then any new hair you take out will be down the back. So let's take another section. I'm going to go from the temples now and straight round in a straight line. Pin that, use a little bit of hairspray. So we're going to work around the front. Big section here again. Smooth any strays that are around your face where you break. Okay, iron, Now you don't want to clamp it like this, you want to turn it slightly, otherwise you'll get a ridge off this arm. And pulling that straight through. And then letting that release. So you've got those curls. I'm not curling it too far near the top because I don't want too much curl around my face. This section we're taking into 4, so I'm doing 2 on each side again. So each side is going to be curled away from the face again, so you swish it. So you're going to use the mirror to find where you need to be. Clamp your iron, and then I would look away from the mirror, purely because you'll start to go back to front sometimes, and that's how you end up burning yourself. And gently find where your hair is, make sure the heat's coming through, and release. So now we have some of the GLAM Shine Spray. I'm going to pop a little bit of that through these sections, and then we're going to start on the top. My apologies if you can hear our puppy in the background. So I've taken another section and left this top here, bulldog clip. I'm going to spray a little bit more around there again, and then now we're probably going to need to do about 5 sections here. So we're going to do a big section around the face. This tends to be where your bangs are, or your layers around your face. So you don't want this bit being too curly because you want this to drape quite nice into these lower sections. So, taking the arm in, the arm's curled away from the hair, dragging it down, curl the bottom, leave the ends out, make sure the heat's through, and then drag that out. Take another section, so all your hair is pulled forward, that has been curled, and all your frizzy sections or uncurled sections, if you're not as frizzy as me, will be left on the top. This is where I think your hair, if you're slightly damaged, you start to feel a bit more, because this section is what takes all the sun and things on the top. Did anybody get new curling irons for Christmas? Because you can do this with heated rollers, you could do it with, a wand, or anything that you have at home already. So drop me a comment below with what is your favourite tool to use, because I love a curling iron. So we've got this whole section now on the top. I'm just going to put a little bit of spray around this, and then so what would be on the crown, I'm going to take that straight back, what would naturally fall back. Now we've got sections small enough you can do this all in one, but if your hair's quite thick you might want to do it in 2. We can manage to do that in 1. So again, make sure your iron is away from your hair so that ridge can't cause a ridge. Sometimes if it sits too far forward you'll get a ridge in the front. Taking the ends through, and then release that. And now naturally, if I was setting this on a client, I would take all this back, so then wherever a parting is, it would naturally fall on a parting. Sometimes if you do a set, if you curl it on a parting, you can end up making this bit look a bit flat. So I like to take it straight back and then let the hair do its own thing. So again, smooth out towards the root and the middle ends, and then you curl in the middle ends and the ends. My hair's quite long, so you just need to take the size of your barrel down if you are shorter. Experiment a little bit and see what is your favourite size curl. Now this section I'm going to take forward for the moment, curl this out. There. Now we're going to take a little bit more of the OLAPLEX oil and I'm just going to brush this through. I'm only doing it with my hands. I'm brushing it with the shape of the curl, so we've come back off the face. So I'm just putting my fingers through off the face. I hope this helps, squaddies. Give it a big thumbs up if it did, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified for the next videos in this curling techniques series. See you next time.